welcome back, guys. I know it's been a while, but let's get to it. Today we're gonna be going over BTC long I caught this week. A very simple setup, things we've talked about in the past. Um, so let's get started. Um, we had this down move, right? This down move on the daily. We had that. Then we put in three different lows. One, two. Oh my God, I can't do this right now. This is one, two, three. All right, so that's three different sweeps that we got here. I'll mark them out with this. Will be better. Here's one. Here's two, and then this wick took this low out as well. And here's three. All right, so you can see them better now. One, two, three different lows that were bouncing off of sweeping this key low on the weekly. Now, on the weekly, after we closed this week bullish, we formed this fair value gap here, right? So I marked it out and then I was like, all right, we wait for signals of bullishness in that fair value gap, okay? Now, if you go on the daily, we broke above the fair value gap and we bounced several times off of it. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. So with that being said, I used the 12 to get in on this. I've been doing a lot better on swing trades. Um, so if you go on the 12, clear, clear um, entry for me. We came down again. Then we printed two strong bullish candles. I'm pretty sure I entered on this one here, on this one with the wick. And then that was that. Yeah, simple as that. I still have some remaining on this. My main target was here. No, actually, it was this wick here. So 72,600 was my main target. I TP'd out most of it. I let it run. TP'd out half of what I let run. I moved stop into my into profits, and I still have a little bit running. I think this could go up to at least 83. I have it as 85, but I'll be happy to close in here. And the reason to that, if you go back on the weekly, we're getting close to that bearish order block here. So that's the reasoning for my exit targets. Um, we'll see what happens when we hit this box. But for now, very textbook long on my part. Um, those who are in the Discord, you guys know this. Very textbook long. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments or even join the Discord. It's free. I'll leave a link down in the description below, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.